In this video, you're going to learn about the finance key in our 10 keys to business success and what it's all about and why it's so important. Hi, I'm Greg Hamlyn and welcome to Builders Profits TV, helping you build a business that gives you a life. Now, the finance key is all about understanding the numbers. If you don't know the numbers, how can you keep score? Imagine if you're watching your favourite sports game between two teams, and there's no way of scoring, or they score and it has no meaning. How exciting would that be? It'd be boring to watch. Now, a lot of people, don't like talking about money, but at the end of the day, it's the best way to keep score in your business. So when it comes down to the financial key, many builders and contractors can find themselves frustrated. They end up not getting paid on time, which affects their cash flow, especially if it eats into their capital, or even worse, they might have an overdraft, which costs more expenses to the business. And then they have the ups and downs in their bank balance. Now, using the bank balance to keep score is not the ideal way, because your bank balance can look really good one month and extremely poor the next month. And because of unexpected expenses or something you haven't accounted for, it can really put stress on your cash flow. Now, another issue is not having enough capital to be able to feed your business or grow your business. So you need to be able to expand. And a lot don't really understand the numbers, and that's because their accountant talks over their head, and it all becomes confusing. And it's like your accountant's from another planet talking gibberish of some sort. You don't really understand what they say. And sometimes your accountant will tell you you've had a great year and you have to pay tax. But you're cash strapped. You don't know where the money's gone. You can't see the money. And you end up in some sort of payment arrangement with the tax man just to get through. Now, you don't need to be an accountant to be able to keep score. And most of our VIP clients know it's simple and easy when they're shown how and the basics of it. And all you need to really do is to know how to keep score. Let your accountant do all the hard stuff. Now, there are some fundamentals to the finance key. The first is capital. Do you have enough capital to get started? What about some of the regulatory bodies, the requirements, capital that's needed, like a homeowner's warranty here in Australia. And there's other limiting capital requirements. These might be in your country as well, country or territory as well. You need to understand, what your capital requirements are to get started. Then there's actually understanding the numbers and the tools you need to be able to keep score, and understanding what your cash gap is and how you can manage this to be able to grow your business and manage your business growth. The main tools you need to be able to keep score is your profit and loss statement. And this is vital. It tells you how much money you've made or you've lost each month. Then there's your balance sheet. It tells you the health of your business, your assets and your liabilities. Then you've got your debit and credit control, making sure that someone's on top of your invoicing and the payments, and that you're being paid on time when you should be. Then your other one's your break-even point, which tells you, which day or which week or which part of the month it is that you break even. And from that point on, your expenses are covered and you're in the making the money mode. And lastly, but I think most importantly, is your cash flows. As they say in business, cash flow is king, and I agree with this. And one of the most important tools that our VIP clients use is our cash flow spreadsheet. And the tool is simple, and it uses a budget and actual formula. This, tied closely with your debit and credit control process, can make a huge difference to your profitability and the ability to be able to deliver your service. It makes it a whole lot easier if you know your numbers and you keep score, and eliminate the nasty surprises that can send businesses broke. Now, if you want to learn more about how to improve your building or contracting business, join us on our next free webinar. Go to buildersprofits.com/free webinar and check out the next date and time. In the meantime, if you want to have a quick chat to see if we can help take your business to the next level, go to buildersprofits.com/chat and book into our calendar at a time that suits you best. It's been great talking to you today about the financial key. We'd love to hear your feedback and your thoughts on the video tip, so please leave us a comment below, click the like button and share it with your friends. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next Builders Profits TV episode. Cheers for now.